In late 2025, deep in the silent reaches of space, astronomers detected something extraordinary moving through our solar system, an object unlike any comet, asteroid, or fragment ever seen before. It was designated 3IATLAS, the third interstellar visitor ever recorded, after the famous Oumuamua and Borisov, but this one was different. From the moment it appeared on radar, it defied classification. Its trajectory came not from the galactic plane, but from an odd high inclination angle, as if it had entered the solar system from above, slipping through the void where no known object should travel. When first observed by the Atlas survey in Hawaii, it was faint, bluish-white, and moving faster than any natural comet ever recorded, nearly 90 kilometers per second. But what truly puzzled scientists was its behavior. Instead of decelerating under the sun's gravity, 3IATLAS accelerated as though pushed by an invisible force. This wasn't the first time such a mystery arose. Years earlier, Oumuamua had shown similar defiance of physics, yet this time the acceleration was stronger, steadier and measurable. The object's light signature didn't match any known material. It lacked a dust tail, had no visible outgassing, and reflected sunlight with strange polarization, more like polished metal than ice or rock. Within days, speculation ignited. Was this an interstellar probe? A fragment of alien technology tumbling through the dark? NASA released cautious statements, calling it a possible highly reflective comet. But behind closed doors, astrophysicists were torn. When the James Webb Space Telescope was aimed at it, something even stranger emerged. 3IATLAS seemed to emit faint infrared pulses at rhythmic intervals, precise repeating patterns separated by exactly 47 seconds. Natural phenomena rarely show such timing. To some, it looked like a rotation beacon. To others, a malfunctioning transmitter. Data from the Pan-STARRS Observatory revealed that its shape wasn't spherical or elongated, like Oumuamua. It was flat, thin, and wide, resembling a vast reflective sheet spinning slowly as it raced through space. Theorists compared it to a light sail, a concept humans have only begun to test, a spacecraft propelled not by engines, but by starlight. Could 3IATLAS be one of these, launched long ago by a civilization far beyond our own? A relic crossing interstellar distances, surviving the void? As debate grew, strange reports followed. Radio telescopes in Chile and Australia began picking up ultra-low frequency signals coming from the same region, faint but repeating, pulsing at almost the same rhythm as 3IATLAS's infrared flashes. Some claimed it was coincidence, others thought it was communication. The data was sent to SETI for verification, but within 48 hours, the signals vanished. Then, without warning, all public tracking of the object was halted. NASA's JPL page for 3IATLAS went offline for database maintenance. Independent astronomers trying to observe it were met with interference, brief power losses, corrupted data frames, unexplained telescope malfunctions. When the feed returned days later, the object had already passed behind the sun, invisible to Earth. But before it vanished, amateur astronomers caught one last glimpse. Their composite images showed a faint hexagonal glow around it, like 6 symmetrical points of light connected by thin, curved lines. Experts dismissed it as lens flare, yet others noticed that the same pattern appeared in images from 3 different telescopes, in 3 different countries. Geometry doesn't happen by accident, one astronomer said anonymously. As 3IATLAS approached perihelion, its closest point to the sun, it should have disintegrated under intense solar radiation. Instead, it brightened, then dimmed abruptly, as if it absorbed light instead of reflecting it. For 12 hours, the region around it emitted brief X-ray bursts detected by the Solar Orbiter probe. Bursts so regular that mission scientists described them as mechanical, and then, just like that, it was gone. When it reappeared on the other side of the sun, it was moving faster than before, a velocity jump that no natural object could achieve. Even stranger, its new trajectory wasn't random. It pointed directly toward the outer reaches of the solar system, in the direction of the constellation Lyra, the same direction from which it had originally come. It was as if 3IATLAS had entered, surveyed, and departed. And that's when theories turned darker. A declassified European Space Agency memo, later leaked online, mentioned an active maneuver observed on the object's outbound leg. A slight but deliberate shift in its course by Oumuamua AU, consistent with controlled propulsion. Propulsion of what, though? If it was artificial, who built it and how old was it? Some scientists suggested it could be billions of years old, a wandering probe from a civilization that once populated another galaxy, now extinct, but leaving behind silent watchers. Others speculated it might be self-replicating, part of a network of von Neumann probes that monitor intelligent life. Conspiracy theories exploded. People claimed governments were concealing the truth about its signals, that the object had transmitted a coded message, or that it wasn't leaving at all, merely waiting beyond Neptune, invisible in the dark. But one detail remained undeniable: the rhythm. The 47-second pulse continued long after the object's departure, detectable only through background cosmic noise. When converted to audio, it produced a haunting tone, a single note that repeated endlessly, perfectly stable, as though generated by a machine still operating across unfathomable distances. To this day, no official statement explains what caused it. Some researchers quietly refer to it as the Watcher signal. Was 3IATLAS merely a rock of strange composition, shaped by forces we don't yet understand? Or was it something far greater, a messenger crossing the stars, recording, scanning, perhaps even searching for others like us? Whatever it was, it reminded humanity how little control we truly have over the cosmic unknown. Somewhere beyond the edge of our vision, an object that shouldn't exist is moving in silence, pulsing steadily in the void, and every 47 seconds, the universe answers back.